Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have my Boxycharm Premium box, finally. It sat in West Virginia, I think it was, forever. Then finally it moved, and then I had it within a couple days, and I only filmed twice a week, so it had to wait until I got to this film day. I had just finished filming all my boxes when it arrived. So unfortunately, I don't like reset everything up because I like to take everything down, put everything away. I don't like to leave it out and have to look at it or have dogs knock into lights and so forth. But I have my Boxy Premium. I have seen a few videos because mine was taking forever. I wanted to know what the deal was. So as you can tell, the card's probably going to fall in a minute. I'll just see if I can lower this stuff. Oh, bulky box. Boxy Premium, it says it. You always get the Hello Charmers. This box is generally good. I've seen some ifs on this one. Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. We get 6 to 7 full-sized products. Value of at least $175, and their boxes are usually pretty high value. And you get to customize one item in the Premium, one in the base, and then when it's Luxe month, I think we get to customize 2 items. The theme for March is Lucky. It's like almost like the end of March. It's the last day. So I'm happy to have this. At least I got it. It's not out there MIA somewhere. So I have from Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Glow, Illuminate and Brighten. $65. A custom pre-blended serum, specially designed to revive the look of dull and aging skin for a youthful complexion within, I don't know, what's that word? With an enviable glow. $65. Wow. I don't know where she's at. She's out of my sight. It's usually no good. She's wandering about. So let's open this up. Oh, that's really nice. Pop it out of the packaging. Look at this. Can you see all the blue and the pink suspended in there? And it's an eyedropper. It is sealed, so I don't want to open it. You can see the glass bottle. That's really nice. So what was this? Illuminate and Brighten. I'll give it a try. I'm not angry at that at all. Let's leave that back in the box. That's a lot of money, $65. I have to watch her like a hawk because she will chew on boxes and get into all kinds of trouble because she knows I'm preoccupied. This dog is not dumb. So then I have from Bite Beauty. This is Outburst Longwear Lip Stain. And this is in Sangria Slush. I probably won't keep that because that might be a little too red for me. Let's open it up and see what we have here. This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is a little too bright for me right there. So I'll put that in the giveaway drawers and share that. I don't need, yeah, I've tried red. I had red on earlier today, like not a bright red, like a more of the blue tone reds. I had it on and I had to get it off. I'm just like I said in the previous, is all I see was lips. I don't see anything else. I cannot wear it. I love it on everybody else that wears it. I just cannot pull it off. And I'm sure I can. It's just, you know, my own hang up with red. Bite Beauty Outburst Longwear Lip Stain. So that will last a long time. An intensely bold, clean lipstick that's hydrating, long wearing, and lightweight with easy application and waterproof wear. $27 from Bite Beauty. That's nice. So that was all on the top layer of my box. So let's go to this layer, and there's 2 products. I wonder why they're doing that these days. So from Beauty Diva London, we have a Diva eye brush set. And this is, where are you? Beauty Diva brush set. Perfect. Oh my goodness, I cannot speak today. Perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. $48. Ooh, better be a phenomenal set for that price. I can get quite a few sets for that price. I mean, these are neat. I'm not going to open these because I will give these away. These handles I don't know about them. I don't know about these brushes either. I don't know. I don't want to touch them because I don't need any more brushes. So there's your 4. And these are all definitely eye brushes. So, you know, somebody who has no brushes, it's sometimes something is better than nothing. Hopefully it works decent. They work decent. I don't know. This is the item I was hoping I didn't get, but it looks like everybody got it because I'd seen not great things about this. This is from Kypris, Illumination and Active Shimmer. So it's an eye serum and primer and a shimmer palette right here. And this says, this pairing packs technology forward skincare, first illumination and shimmer. The illuminating eye serum and primer creates the optical illusion of a brightened eye area, while the shimmer palette offers active buildable shimmer for your eyelids and skin. This set is made exclusively for Boxycharm and is not for resale. $145. Like, this should be phenomenal, and I have not seen great things. I've seen some people with, you know, decent things to say, and I've had other people say, you know, not great. So this looks like this is the illuminating eye serum and primer. Let me see. See, now I just pulled that out, and look how clumpy that is. I mean, okay, it just might need to be mixed. All right, it's got some liquid to it. It's, I don't know. I don't know how long this is. Like, I wish there were dates that you could see. I don't know if that's old, if it's old or maybe just from sitting. I have no idea. I mean, if they made it specifically for, I don't know. I'm not going to knock it until, I don't know how this opens. Oh, then the next is here. This must be the palette that they were talking about, the shimmer palette. Opens up nicely. It's like a little magnet in the front. Has a mirror. So I'll block it with the card. I'm not going to touch this just because I don't know if I need another like shimmer. Whoa, I fell right off the palette. You saw that. Looks like the glue came undone. I don't know. I mean, I could probably try to glue it back, but wow. Well, I'll be more careful with that. So that's what that looks like. I'm not really big. I mean, these could be used for eyeshadows. I don't want to touch this if I don't intend to keep it. So I'd rather, you know, if I'm not going to keep it, just not touch it. But $145, that seems pricey. I always save this. If you reship anything, do giveaway, save the phone. They're giving it to you, so why not keep it? It's great to put at the bottom of a box or wrap up things for, you know, in a package. So let me just put this stuff back in the box so that I don't tip over the box. Something that I was excited for and was hoping I got in my box is right here. I've seen great things about these. This is from Rael Beauty. This is the Vitamin C Facial Sheet Masks. $15. I think you get five masks. A radiance enhancing face mask that visibly brightens and revitalizes the look of your skin. Crafted from the softest, silkiest bamboo yarn and soaked in skin brightening serum. It's designed to bring out your skin's natural luminous glow. And it is sealed. I love how they seal and then don't seal the bottom of the box so you can get in. Let me get my scissors. I like being closer to my scissors now. I don't have to leave them out, but I want to look. I have a different kind of cutter. I think I'm just going to leave that with all my filming stuff. So you do get 5 masks right here, which is nice. Oops, 5 of them. Leave on 10 to 20 minutes. I love vitamin C for my face. It's phenomenal. Like sometimes like the Glow Recipe. Ole Henriksen has a great vitamin C. So many brands you get. So free of parabens, mineral oil, artificial fragrance, dyes, phthalates, silicone, benzophenone, talc. So that's nice. And it's a bamboo sheet. Oh, natural ingredients. Pomegranate fruit extract. That is great for your skin. Fig fruit exfoliates. And citrus fruit brightens. So the pomegranate, what does that do? Instantly boost the radiance. Okay, so these are going to be phenomenal So I'm excited. I might share a few of them in a future giveaway. So happy for them. Did I tell you the price of those? $15? That is super fairly priced, I think. I know this was the item I chose. Too Faced Hangover Primer, $35. We've all seen this. I was hoping, I don't think I had the option for the moisturizer because I haven't tried that. I would have loved to have had the choice, but I love their primer, and this is what it looks like. Phenomenal. Too Faced has phenomenal products. I love their lip products. And this is just like a little pump. I'm not going to do it because I actually have one open, and I have a couple samples. I have this size open, and I have like 2 or 3 samples to use. So this will just go for a backup. I love this. It's silicone free. It's with coconut water, probiotic based ingredients, and skin revivers. This stuff is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Anything from Too Faced, in my opinion, is phenomenal. So that's my Boxy Premium for March 2021. I still think this is a great box. I'm iffy on the Kypris stuff, but I will look into it. I don't have my phone as usual. I don't even think it's near me. I think it's downstairs in the kitchen still. So I will add up the prices, and it does give you that. And if this means anything to anyone, they used to give us variation numbers, but now that's like some kind of a lot number or their box numbers. So I'm excited to have everything in here, and look, anything that I will not be keeping or using, I will put in the giveaway drawers, and they will be going out in future giveaways. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.